Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Piggy Gaijin, Jamaican YouTuber. Talking about this Japanese Jamaican ramen instant by Nissin. And wait, hold on. So today I'm going to review this Jamaican ramen here. Jerk, extra hot, fire, fire, fire. So we're going to go into my kitchen and we're going to see what's going on with this. So basically, I like the packaging. It stays true to the authenticity of the Selassie Rastafari, with the guys beating their Congo drums. And I'm surprised I don't see a marijuana spliff. Is this supposed to be Bob Marley? I highly doubt it. But yeah, the generic Rasta, man. Right? And you have the guitar and the bass players. You know, I'm surprised I didn't see Usain Bolt on it, but apparently Usain Bolt is copyrighted his image, so they can't run that joke. I don't think these are copyrighted though, but yeah. Red, green, and gold. It says super spicy, level 5. Hot. So this is a hot sauce. Fire. Oh, this is a neat sticker. You see that? Nice. All right. So, yeah. So this is if you all haven't seen it. This recently came out like last week, I think. All right. So please look at it. Awesome stuff. All right. Let's see. We're gonna go and try it in the kitchen. So come on. I saw you there. I know. I turned on the camera, so I know you're there. Come on, guys. Let's go. I said, come on. Come on, to my dirty kitchen. Okay, so we turn our stove to the highest so we can boil this water. So we can put in this to cook it, because, you know, how you cook this, you basically, yeah. Yes! Water is not ready yet, guys. I'm sorry. I guess I'll just boom, shaka laka laka, rise it up and papa. Me there wait pon the water fi boil fi put in a me cup me instant noodle. Yeah, Rastafari de pon the cup and Rastafari in a mouse. Them lan nan 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 nan, waiting on the festival fi come festival to come rise it cat to come. And my heart a beat so do 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 yeah do 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 do. What me say? Do 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 do. Guys, right now it's coming to a serious boil. Sorry, it's water boy. So yeah, all right. So we're gonna go and tackle this now. So quickly open this part here just a little bit. Let's see what's inside. What the hell is that? Well, I guess I got the colors again. Red, green, and gold. Get the focus right. Alright, we got corn, I think, and some pieces of some mystery meat. I figure it's pork. Alright. So I have to use my left hand because I'm using my right hand. Oh boy. Don't spill too much. Oh, nice. Nice technique. Alright. Not bad. So we're gonna let that sit for a while because we're all chefs. I mean, that's my kitchen. Yeah. Woohoo, yeah. Alright, guys. It's ready. It's really colorful though. Like, seriously. Guys, that's more pepper in there. Dehydrated peppers. And let's add some sauce. Okay, woohoo! So now we're gonna try it out. Alright, wow. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's it smells really spicy. Really spicy. But we don't eat cup noodles with this at home. We use a fork. Alright. Ita teki masa tekwe, whatever. Alright guys, here we go. It smells really peppery. Really spicy. Let's go. Alright. No. Alright. There's a bigger kick than I thought. This might cause some problems for some people, but it's really spicy. Oh wait. Yeah, spicy, nice. This is really good. I like it. I wish there was some actual meat then to kind of make it whatever, but yeah, it's pretty dope. If you like spicy, this is for you. It's actually really spicy, like a proper spice, like not jerk spice, but pepper. So I think they use chili peppers in it, and they dehydrate them. So you add water and then, yeah. But yeah, that's it, guys. I recommend it. I'm not really a cup noodle fan, but it's Jamaican looking, so I gotta support it, you know what I mean? If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If not, give it a thumbs down. If you want me to try a different food, a different product in Japan, let me know, and I'll do it. And I'll see you next time. This is really dope though. I like it. I'll make some more to make it look like I actually ate. Oh, and if you're out in Japan eating ramen or any form of soup or udon, please slurp to let them know that the food is delicious. That's their custom. Slurping back in the Western world, we don't do that, but in Japan, it doesn't show that. It shows the person that cooked it that the meal is actually delicious and you appreciate it, okay? That's my tip. Peace out.